Here's how you can convert your Google Docs document into an image. But first, you need to convert that into PDF before we can convert that PDF to be a normal image like JPEG or PNG. So just open your Google Docs document and then go to the file menu, select download and select PDF. So it will convert your document into PDF. And well, I have this Adobe Acrobat installed my computer, and that's why it's opening the file instantly after I finish download, but you don't need that. Let's close the software, and you can visit a tool like small PDF to JPEG tool to basically just convert that PDF into an image. You can use any other tool, but I think this one is quite popular and it's easy to use. So let me just upload the document right here, and let's wait until it finishes. It is a very small document, should be very quick. Okay, allow me a minute to finish. All right, now we have a few options. This is extract images only or convert entire pages. I think I'm going to convert entire pages since it is free, and let's click convert. Okay, now the document has been converted into an image. Let's download that to our computer. Okay, now the image has been downloaded. If you just open the file, let me drag it to the screen. This is an image. This is the same document, the same content from the original document right here. So yeah, that's essentially how you can download your Google Docs document as an image. I hope you find this video helpful.